operations, or manufacturing routing are critical guides that help your team stay on track during production. In this video, we'll use Inflow's bulk import feature to simplify the process of setting up manufacturing operations. Before we start, add products and create a bill of materials for the products you manufacture first. Check out the Adding Inventory and Importing Bill of Materials videos for complete steps. Let's start by exporting a CSV template. In Inflow, click on Main menu, then Export. Select Operations, then click Export to save the file to your computer. Open the file downloaded from Inflow. To get a better understanding of how to fill this out, we'll use a completed template to explain each column. First, we need to enter the name of the product we're manufacturing. This is the only field you must fill out for the import to work. Next, we need an operation type. This serves as a category or general term for this manufacturing stage. If you leave this column blank, Inflow will add assembly as the operation type. The following three fields are where you can add estimates for manufacturing cost tracking. If part of the manufacturing is handled by a third party, use the per unit cost column to track the flat rate for the operation. Next, use the per hour cost field for tracking hourly labor. Estimated duration is used for tracking roughly how long the operation will take per manufactured unit. Enter the total time in seconds in this column. Per hour cost and estimated duration work together. With that in mind, it's intended that you track either the per unit cost or the per hour cost with an estimated duration. The final column on the CSV is for instructions. This is where you can add assembly steps or add links if the directions are online. You might have noticed that each row on the spreadsheet can only have one operation. For products with multiple operations, create another row with the same product name and fill out the remaining columns. We also suggest adding the operations in sequential order. The order of the operations on the CSV will be the order the operations are displayed on the finished product and manufacturer orders. To finish the template, repeat the previous steps until you've added all the operations for the products you manufacture. When done, save the file as a CSV. Let's go back to Inflow to import. Click on Main menu, then Import. Select Operations from the Data Type drop-down menu. Below, select the CSV from your computer, then click Next. If you don't see a list of import fields, select Edit Data Mapping. Match the Inflow fields on the left to the CSV fields in the drop-down menus. When done, click Import. You'll now see an Import is in progress message. Click OK. You'll get an email with the results when the import is complete. And now your manufacturing operations have been added to Inflow. Take a look at the Manufacturing tab on the product record to review the imported operations. If you have any questions, reach out to the Inflow team. Thanks for watching.